If you're under 100 subscribers right now, and your views feel painfully slow, you need to hear this. Because the biggest mistake small YouTubers make is not bad editing, not bad thumbnails, and not even the algorithm. It's misunderstanding what YouTube is actually doing to your channel in the early stage. And if you don't fix this now, you can post for months and still feel invisible. So before you upload your next video, watch this carefully. This is not motivation. I'm not going to tell you to just stay consistent, and I'm definitely not going to promise overnight growth. What I'm about to show you is how YouTube actually treats channels under 100 subscribers, and what smart beginners do differently. Because once you understand this phase, your low views will finally start making sense. Here's the truth most beginners don't hear. Before 100 subscribers, YouTube is not trying to make you viral. It's studying you, quietly, carefully, patiently. Your channel is basically in a testing classroom. YouTube is watching who clicks your videos, who watches till the end, who comes back for more. Because before YouTube can push your content, it must answer one simple question: who is this channel for? And if the answer is blurry, distribution stays small. Not because YouTube hates you, but because it's still learning you. Now here's where most beginners accidentally sabotage themselves. They think growth comes from posting more, trying many topics, chasing trends, uploading anything that might work. But from YouTube's perspective, this creates confusion. Imagine meeting someone today, and they tell you, I teach YouTube growth. Tomorrow they say, I also post motivation. Next week, I review AI tools. You'd be confused, right? That's exactly how YouTube feels about many small channels and confused systems. Don't recommend confidently. Quick check. Look at your last 5 videos. Do they clearly speak to one beginner problem? Or are they a little scattered? Be honest, because this is where the shift begins. Every video you upload teaches YouTube something, even when views are low. When your video gets impressions but no clicks, YouTube learns this packaging isn't attracting this audience. When viewers click but leave quickly, YouTube learns this video didn't meet expectations fast enough. When viewers don't return to your next upload, YouTube learns this channel doesn't have a clear identity yet. Notice something important here. None of these signals mean your content is terrible. They simply mean the message is unclear. And clarity is everything on YouTube. So what should you do instead? Simple. Before 100 subscribers, your job is not to go viral. Your job is to become understandable. Here's the smart beginner strategy. Step 1. Pick one clear audience. Not everyone. Not people who like YouTube. Be specific. Example, beginner faceless YouTubers, new creators under 100 subs, busy people starting YouTube. Specific wins. Step 2. Focus on one core problem. Instead of posting random helpful tips, build around one pain point. For example, not getting views, channel not growing, confused about niche. This builds identity fast. Step 3. Connect your next 3 to 5 videos. This is where small channels start looking serious. When your videos feel related, YouTube starts recognizing patterns, and patterns build trust. Let's be real for a second. YouTube does not own new creators' exposure. Every channel gets tested, slowly, quietly, in small batches. If viewers respond well, distribution grows. If they don't, it slows down. That's not punishment. That's filtering. Your job is not to chase viral moments. Your job is to improve your signals. Better titles, clear thumbnails, focused niche, consistent audience. This is how small channels grow quietly, before they grow loudly. So if you're under 100 subscribers right now, here's exactly what to do next. 1. Pick one target beginner. 2. Solve one clear problem. 3. Make your next 3 videos connected. 4. Keep your titles in beginner language. 5. Stay patient while YouTube learns you. Do this, and your channel will start making more sense to both viewers and the algorithm. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel the smart way, don't just post randomly. Build intentionally. Comment below. Focused growth. If you're ready to stop confusing the algorithm, and in the next video on your screen, I'll show you the first signal YouTube looks for before it pushes any small channel. This is Hidden Hustle. We grow with